welcome back to today's video, and today we're going to unbox my Lunarly.com. Lunarly.com. I swear, I am a hot mess. So Lunarly is a monthly subscription where for $40 a month you get either a candle or a plant. You can skip some months. I do like getting this box. You do get some other things in the box as well. So today this is a candle box. So we'll be unboxing this one. So let me pull out. Ooh. So the first thing I see is that this box does have some incense. It does say it's Seed of Life incense. And there's, I guess, 10 sticks in here. So I haven't even got to the rest of the box. So usually everything comes in this box, and then at the bottom of the other box we'll have the candle. And I do like them. They're really nice candles. So this is what the candle comes in. We'll go ahead and take it out. And this is my candle. And this is a really nice candle. And it's for December, it tells me on the bottom. And for the smell of it, it should tell me in the box what kind of smell it is. So let's go ahead and open this. I'll leave these here. So this is for the cold moon. And it does give you information about all of the moons, like the new moon and the first moon and full moon and the dates. So that's always nice. And then you get your information, and this is where it talks about your candle, which, as you can see, my candle is got notes of basil, lime, and strawberry. So that's nice. And then inside it'll tell you more about all the items that you get. Not prices or anything, but I'll stick this over here. And it looks like the next item is in a pouch. Ooh, and it's the stone. I didn't see which stone I was supposed to get, I'm sorry. Petrified wood. I've had this before, or maybe. I don't know, it's been a long time. I've always wanted. I got the pyrite, the fool's gold, but I'm pretty sure I have petrified wood as well. So that's nice. It's always nice to have something to add to your collection. And the next item, oh, I've never had one of these. It's actually one of those, you put out candles with it, like, boop, and then the candle's out. So it's kind of nice, and the handle's really nice. It's like having a miniature wand. Ooh. No, I've never had one of these. So it's kind of neat to have something new that I've never really had. And, the last item in here says, let me get all the splendors off of it, that it is a cactus growing kit. I have never had a cactus, let alone grew a cactus. So this might be fun. I'm almost tempted to not open it right now, but let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like inside, because I'm curious. Oh, so it's got this little, like, disc. And I guess the seeds are in here. And then plant fearlessly. Cactus, all kind mixed. And then it tells you how to do it on the back of this. So that's kind of neat. It kind of gives you something to try at home. And right now, we are all trying new hobbies and new things. in our homes, so that's nice. Well, most of us. But that's nice to get. And that is all that was in this box. Now, this box is $40 a month. And you do get every other month a plant. I skipped last month because I didn't need another plant right now. I'll probably get January's just to get the plant. However, the candles, I've got a little bit of everywhere. Like right here is August candle. And they last a hot minute. Like, they do. They don't just... got a little bit of dirt in this. But they don't, like, burn and then instantly it's gone. Like, this one's already been burnt once. But I don't leave them run for the length of period of times. Like, they're like a 10-hour, 16-hour burn. I don't actually burn them that long. I just burn them for a couple hours and then I blow them out. So, I think they're kind of neat to have the candle in your house. Like I said, I love burning candles anyway. And that is what I got in my Lunarly box for this month. Now, all the links are in the description. I know I'm a hot mess. I'm trying to get it together. But yeah, that was Lunarly for December, which I got relatively early. I usually got these at the end of the month, but this one actually is for December. It's a cold moon, so the full moon isn't even until the 29th. And the new moon was the 14th, and I got it about a week ago. I just didn't get to film it because part of being an essential worker. But if you did enjoy this, make sure you give me a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe. And all the links for any box that I unbox at all on my channel is in the descriptions. I don't get anything for them. I pay for them because I like sharing them with you. So with that, I will go for this video, and I heart your face, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.